Join me as I try to capture the most magical ocean dance performed by sea lions. Can I get them to join in and dance with me? Sea lions are known for their playful nature, and today, I'm excited to take you on an underwater adventure to witness their mesmerizing dance. Get ready to be enchanted by their adorable antics and impressive aquatic moves. Living in the ocean can be challenging, especially for sea lions. They face many challenges, from finding food to avoiding predators and dealing with human impacts like pollution and habitat destruction. But despite these obstacles, they've developed strong social bonds that help them thrive in their natural habitat. Sea lions are incredibly social creatures that live in large colonies, often with close-knit family groups. These social bonds are crucial for their survival, and they've even developed specific ways to communicate with each other. They use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even scents to convey information and express themselves. For instance, a mother sea lion will often recognize her pup's distinct vocalization and respond accordingly. In addition to their complex communication system, sea lions are incredibly intelligent and adaptable. They've been observed using tools to hunt and solve problems to get food. This intelligence, combined with their social skills, makes them highly efficient hunters and amazing to watch. But what's even more fascinating is how they work together as a team. During the dance, you'll see them swim in perfect synchrony, almost choreographed. This truly demonstrates their incredible social bonds and communication skills. As we dive deeper into the ocean, you'll witness the most breathtaking moment of the sea lion's performance. Their synchronized movements create a stunning display of aquatic agility, with each sea lion playing its part in perfect harmony. The sheer joy and excitement on their faces are infectious, and you can't help but feel like you're part of their magical dance party. The sea lion's dance is not just a mesmerizing spectacle, it's also a testament to the importance of social interactions in the ocean ecosystem. By working together and communicating effectively, sea lions can overcome challenges and thrive in their natural habitat. As we wrap up this underwater adventure, I hope you've fallen in love with these charismatic creatures as much as I have. What was your favorite sea lion moment from today's video? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to suggest other marine animals you'd like to see featured in future videos. Like, subscribe, and share.